All right, guys, I got a call where we got half the house working or the power is intermittently working. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check to see if we got voltage on the A and B phase on this panel here. So right now we're showing we got 240 on A and B. So now we'll go from this ground to A phase. 120. Let's turn this on right here. Okay, much better. So now let's go back. Got 240 on A and B. We got, let's go from phase to ground. Okay, so we got 120 on A phase. Now we'll go to B phase to see if we got any voltage on B phase. No voltage on B phase. Let's go down to A again. Voltage on A phase. No voltage on B phase. So that means somewhere behind here on this bus, we got an intermittent connection or we got a loose wire, but we're gonna check that out. So first, let me go take this meter off. So that way I can test, see if we got corrosion on the back of those terminals where the main breaker snaps in to the panel bus. So, but in order to do that, I got to take the meter off so there be no power. Okay, so now, let's take this off. You know what? So let's check these wires right here. Oh, look at that loose wire right there. So maybe that could be the issue right there. So we'll tighten that up. Let's see. Okay, so on this, you had a loose wire right here. So I'm gonna check this one. See, check it out right here. See how it's sliding in and out of there? Yeah. So I'm gonna tighten it back up and then I'm gonna go put the meter back in. Then we're gonna see if that power comes back on there. Oh. So that's the first test I'm gonna do. And then if that doesn't work, I'll do some more tests. So, okay. All right, so let me go put the meter back on.
Yeah, you don't feel like I know nothing about it.
But you saw how that wire was sliding in and out, right?
Oh yeah, I know. I have a transmission over the other day. I took it for Chapo Air Conditioning Company.
Uh-huh.
And I had more trying to take the plug loose. It wasn't getting in the ground, so it wouldn't shift to third or fourth without ground. It had power with no ground.
Really?
Yeah, I had to go in and make a ground wire.
Hmm.
That fixed it.
What year was that car?
2000. It's a 2008 truck, Chevy truck.
Oh.
I do 20 trucks for Chapo Air Conditioning.
Okay, yeah.
All them German motors.
All right, so now.
Transmission, I put transmissions in them for these, whatever.
Now let's see what we got on here. Let's see if we got power back on there. Let's see. Uh-oh. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, it's recording. All right, so let's test this again for power. Okay. I hear the sparking.
See a nice flicker there.
Yeah, so you got it's gonna be a loose connection behind there. I mean, not lose connection, but it's gonna be a definitely a connection issue. Let's see if we got still no power on there.
When I pushed it, that's when it was getting connection. When I pushed the whole thing in.
See, yeah, now all the power off now. So yeah, you definitely got a yeah, all the power out now. So when I tighten that breaker up, something happened to where now it's not even making connection on the bus. We got power right here,
Coming in.
but on these breakers, you got no power.
Oh.
So yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but if you push it, if you shake it, it'll come on.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Uh-huh.
I hope I wouldn't get shocked shaking it like that, man.
Oh yeah, something will happen eventually. Cause the thing about it is we don't know how bad it is behind there.
Oh man.
So I'm gonna take this back out. That way I can.
What you do every day? What you do every day?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I do this all the time. This. Oh yeah, all the time.
Oh, you got your own business.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there you go. There you go. That's it. Yeah.
All right, so now take this. So they got this bolted. See how they got that bolted in there? That's not even supposed to be bolted like that. So actually, let me move this stuff out the way. Move all this stuff out the way.
Move that out the way there.
It's fine right now. I'm just trying to get some room to where I can. I don't want my stuff to fall behind there. So let me take these wires out real quick. Make it easier for this breaker to come out. If it'll come out, we'll see. Yes. See how that just
hanging there.
just hanging there now. So
oh, that's why you put the bolt in.
but look, it feels like is it a, I wonder if it's,
behind it.
well,
So he said something fell out. We tried Home Depot to find whatever he needed, but I don't think he found it.
I can't tell if it's a nut back there
That screw's on there.
or
I think it's screwed into that thing.
yeah. Let me get a flashlight. So there's some arcing back there on there. And yep. Definitely arcing, so it's not. You can see where that bus is kind of melted right there. You can see them, ooh, yep, you can see them burn spots. So, yeah, this is going to be replaced. All right, so, you know, let me take a picture of that so you can see it. So yeah, it's definitely, like I said, it's been touching. And so it's burned.
Oh, man.
Let me show you. Let me take a picture of it so you can see it.
Yeah, no problem. How much does it cost for a whole box? And the wire?
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Yeah, and so Now it was this bottom one. That's the one that had power right here, but down here it didn't have power. So what I'm gonna show you is that on the back of here, this one that feeds these the B. So you got A, B, A, B. So this B one, when I show you this photo, you're gonna see where it's burnt and it's melted.
Oh man.
So if you look right there, so this is A and that's B. That's the one that wasn't working.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. And look at that.
God.
You see, so now you can see how that one's fully right there.
Uh-huh.
You see how it's kind of at the slant. That means it's been arcing. Yeah.
God.
So, and you can see right here too where it's kind of burn.
So what do you got to do?
Yeah. So on these, they don't make replacement parts. So this part right here, this piece, they don't make those anymore to replace. So you can't even find none of this. So, like I was saying, unfortunately, only thing I can do on this one is it's gonna be replace the whole thing.
How much it costs to replace the whole thing?
Let me look again in here. So it's gonna depend based upon a few things. Like that's gonna be the cold water ground right there. It's gonna be the cold water ground.
The bad thing?
Huh?
The bad thing about it, we gotta have it.
Oh yeah. Dang. Oh man. Man. Let me so I'm gonna look back here to see if you got some ground rods. Cause when they come and do an inspection, they're gonna look for all that. So I would have to put 2 ground rods in down here, and probably maybe even some smoke detectors. So these inspection municipalities, sometimes they require smoke detectors. So I don't see one. So all right, guys, welcome back. So as you can see, there was nothing I could do to help him get his power back on. When it's that bad, I don't play around with trying to fix it or try and jackleg it in, bootleg it in, whatever you want to call it. Being a professional out here, getting inspections on things, being held to a higher standard than just trying to bootleg something in. We take pride in doing it right. So on that job, we just had to do a full replace. You saw how bad it was corroded. If I were to try to put another breaker in there, it wouldn't have worked. And if I did, it would have been an extreme fire hazard. So please subscribe, drop a comment, hit that like button. Man, hit the notification bell so y'all can get notified when I do make new content. Thank y'all for all my new supporters. Thank y'all for who have subscribed so far. We'll see y'all on the next video. United Tradesman Academy.